term is degree of dissociation or association. How can we represent degree? That is denoted by alpha. Degree of dissociation means what percent of the salt is dissociated into water when dissolved in water or any other solvent. So we can take any example, that is acetic acid in water. So we write acetic acid CH3COOH when dissolved in water, then what happen? It dissociates into respective ions, that is acetate ion, acetate plus hydronium ion, H plus aqueous. So students, in our 11th class we already studied what is equilibrium constant, equilibrium expression. So if you start the reaction at initial concentration, we know in 11th class, suppose this is C mole, we take C mole, yeah, you can say N mole, your 1 mole you can take 1 mole also. So that is initial when the reaction is not start, that time this is 0 mole. That time they are 0 mole because they are not dissociate. But after some times when dissolved in water at equilibrium, then what happen? At equilibrium, suppose this is alpha percent is dissociate, alpha degree dissociate, then this remaining after equilibrium, this one is C alpha formation and this also C alpha formation. And this what happen? Suppose out of 100, 10% dissociate, so this remaining C minus C alpha mole. So that's one at equilibrium. This initial mole, that is time 0. After some times, it is 10%, 20%, 30% dissociate, then what happen? C alpha mole formation. And this C minus C alpha. That already study you in 11th class. Then how can we write equilibrium constant, equilibrium expression for FeNA acid? Yeah, equilibrium constant Kc. So this one is right, Ka, dissociation constant for acid. It is a ratio of concentration of product divided by reactant. We already studied in 11th class, this is a ratio CH3COO minus divided by concentration of product divided by reactant. We already know this one, equilibrium concentration. This concentration is equilibrium concentration, equilibrium constant. So when we put this value in this equation, this in 11th class you study at chapter number equilibrium, then this C alpha dot C alpha, both value acetate ion plus hydronium ion divided by C minus C alpha. Students, when we solve this, then you can write C square alpha square divided by C minus, I want to take common, C minus alpha. In this way, I can write this. Further, if you solve, then this C is common and this square I can remove. So you can write equilibrium constant C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. So by this equation, you have to find out the numerical problem. How can we find equilibrium constant Kc is equal to C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is degree of dissociation. What is C? That is initial concentration given. And in this way you can find some numericals problem. But what is the relation between Van't-Hoff factor and degree of dissociation? So students, Van't-Hoff factor and degree of dissociation, there is a exact formula you can remember in this way. Degree of dissociation and Van't-Hoff factor, what is the relation? We can write a formula, students. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 divided by n minus 1. This formula, if you remember, for dissociation, then easily can identify a numerical problem. What do you mean by this? Alpha, the degree of dissociation like 10, 50, 30, that is anyway. I means one-top factor, that is already discussed. Normal molar mass, abnormal, and by that three formula given, you can identify anyone. What do you mean by n? N means number of particles after dissociation. For example, that is aluminum chloride. In this aluminum chloride, how many the n value? Because it dissociates into aluminum ion and 3 chloride ion. So its n value is total number of particles after dissociation. N value is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So n value for this particle is 3. 4. 3 and plus 1, 4. Total 4. If sodium chloride, this value 2. So by that formula you can identify any numerical easily. You can learn this formula. If another formula, if association, what happen if the molecules are associate? For example, this like acetic acid, when they are dimerized, then the molecule by hydrogen bonded, we already discussed this. So what happen? Number of 2 mole we get 1 mole. So number of particles reduce. So in this way, when association, then what is the relation between degree of association and that one-top factor and number of particles? We can write in this way. So degree of association alpha is equal to 1 minus I divided by 1 minus 1 by n. So this one is relation if the number of molecules are associate. What is n? N means dimer, trimer, tetramer, anywhere. If n is equal to dimer, n is equal to 2. Trimer means 3, tetra means 4. So by these two formula, you can identify numerical in faster way. Either if you solve any other how, so then you can also find out. So student, you should learn these 4 formula and equilibrium expression, this formula for 11th class, this degree of dissociation and this degree of association. But slightly if you more focus the main terms like molarity and this one, then you easily can solve the numerical. Tomorrow we will solve some numerical problem on this chapter. Students, we thoroughly studied this chapter and tomorrow we will solve some numerical problem related on these difference formula. And if you have any query, then you can write in comment box. Like and subscribe and write all the main points, formula, definition in your notebook and in fair copy, and read carefully NCERT book and some reference book also you need, because in NCERT they are very compact, concentrate. So students, you take any reference book, either Pradeep, Modern ABC or that you like, together with in all numerical easily can solve. If you solve by only the NCERT book, then solving the numerical problem you get many difficulties. You have to take reference book, and after studying in these 9 videos, we thoroughly study the chapter, but our main part is remaining, that is solving the numerical problem. So tomorrow we will discuss some numericals. After that we will start next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.